Okay, so the Gaff Index is a gimmick deck of cards that are used a myriad number of ways. There's 56 different Gaff cards, and you're using them, either a few of them as a packet trick, or you actually are adding 1, 2, 3, 4 of them to a deck and doing another, a trick with a full deck. It comes with a 1 hour and 45-minute tutorial. But anyway, this is one of my favorites from the Gaff Index. To me, this is worth the price of the deck. But anyway, this is one that you add a few cards to a full deck. But what I have here are a deck of cards, and we're going to play a game. Well, actually, we're not going to play a game, but you maybe heard that oil and water doesn't mix. Well, this is actually true of cards too. So what I'm going to do here, well, wait a minute here. Let me do it like this. Yeah, what I'm going to do is remove 1, 2, or 3, 4, 5, and 6 cards, okay? And I've removed these cards because they're going to represent oil and water. So what I have 3 reds and I have 3 blacks. Now, of course, we're going to let the black be the oil, and of course the red will be the water. And I want you to watch very carefully, because I don't do any funny moves here. I'm going to take a black, which is oil, and put it face down on the table. I'm going to take a red, put it face down on the table. I'm going to take a black, face down on the table. A red, face down on the table, black and red. And now, if you just hold them very still for just about 5 seconds, yeah, that should be enough. Believe it or not, they are no longer mixed. You can see the black are back together, and you can see that the red are back together. Now, I'll tell you what, we're going to try it again, and this time you can watch a little bit closer, okay? So remember, we have red, we have black, we have red, we have black, we have red, we have black. Now, I don't want you to think I've done anything sneaky. You can see. You have red, black, red, black, red, black. It's only when you hold them still for about 5 seconds, yeah, that should be enough, that the magic actually happens. Because if you notice, we now have the 3 reds and the 3 blacks. But something else is kind of strange, because we've left this deck sitting here for about 60 seconds. Well, you know what? The same thing has happened, because the reds have actually separated from the blacks. Anyway, that's just one trick you can do with the Gaff Index. It's really a bargain for the price. Hope you enjoyed that.